One of the most interesting things about this part is that they sent it to me in this box, which I don't even really know what to say about this box right here. Oh, these are the kind you can't pop. Yeah, at least my hold down's in there. I didn't get a bolt for it. This is the Goodmark brand for a, I guess like a 60, 70, 72 C10. And it has okay finish on it, I guess. It seems sturdy enough. It's just a battery tray. You have to buy the hold down separate. So when I got this truck, it didn't have any kind of battery tray or nothing. Oh no, I take that back. I take that back. It had this custom built one. It kind of worked for a while, but I don't like it. I mean, look at it. That's roughly how it goes. The core support of the truck has a few bolt holes right here, and two. I'll change the camera angle so you can see that. Moving the radiator is going to help me to do this a whole lot. Okay, so right next to your radiator, on that little square piece, 1, 2, 3. Those are your 3 mounting holes from the factory. They have threaded inserts in them. And then your other 2 are right by your headlight. Right by your headlight right here. And then one right there. They use these little body bolts that are, you know, mine happen to have 2 of them already left in there, which is awesome. Very thoughtful of whoever took it out. But I had some of these laying around. And they have, actually the hold down uses the same thread, which is good. So just put 1 bolt in it. I was really going to brag about this if I was able to get all bolts in without even using anything to pry with. But I'm still pretty happy because it just took a little bit of pressure with the screwdriver to get the last bolt aligned. It's actually pretty sturdy. I like it. I'm pretty satisfied with it. I think it fit. I don't really like the way this fits on there, the bolt. I don't really like this hold down. It might be because the battery is not really the correct battery, but that's too much space right there. It gives it too much leverage. So there it is. That's the hold down installed. Okay, so now I have the right battery. That's just the way it fits right there. I don't really like that much. But that's actually the correct battery. It's a size 25 group. And the bolts are 5/16 with the 18 count thread, like the normal half-inch heads. Half-inch hex head or whatever you call it. Yep.